Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to cast the screen of your Black Shark Badass E to a TV. To do that, we're gonna need to use the screen mirroring feature, which is usually available in the control center, so swipe it down on your tablet, search for it in here, and if you don't see it on the list, simply tap the pencil icon in the bottom right corner and then search for cast feature right here. Now we have to hold the finger down on it and drag it to the top of the list. Okay, now let's go back and let's select cast right here. Now we're gonna have to, in order to cast our screen to another TV, we're gonna have to check our Wi-Fi connection and check whether we are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as our TV. And also some TVs require this feature to be enabled manually within their settings, so you're gonna have to check yours and check whether it requires an automatic enabling of the cast feature. And after that, start searching for your TV. Eventually it should appear in this menu on the list, and if you select it, you'll be able to choose whether you want to cast your entire screen or just one window. And if you still cannot find your TV, go to settings, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner right here and enable wireless display, because some older TVs especially require this feature to be enabled. After that, you should be able to find your TV after tapping cast. And if you are already casting and want to stop doing that, you have to tap on the cast option and select stop casting. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.